everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your name on Homescapes. If you are looking for a way to change your name on Homescapes, then here's how you can do it. Start off by launching open Homescapes application on your preferred device. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on the settings or the gear button at the top right hand corner. In the options displayed on the screen, select Edit Profile. Now, right where you can see your name, tap the pencil icon and go ahead and make necessary changes for the name. Now go ahead and erase the current name and type in a new name for yourself. Once you are done, tap on OK and you will be able to change your name on Homescapes. So that was how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.